How does that sound compared to the morning plan?
So normally I'll be happy with. In this video, I want to explain you how to create a voice agent and how you can qualify afterwards the call. We will be receiving an inbound call. The voice AI will pick the call, and then we will see whether the lead is qualified or not. If it's qualified, we will follow this path. If not, will be done for a later video. We're not taking this into account. Yeah, so whenever the lead is qualified, we'll push the data through our webhook. We will integrate it with Make, and then we'll set the contract agreement for signature to the person we're having. I'm gonna do this for a gym. So basically what I asked ChatGPT is to put me a knowledge base together for my assistant, which is gonna be called Grace. And then I told the GPT to construct me a document based on 3 plans that I'm gonna have. So the morning plan, all day plan, and the all-inclusive plan. And after that, a little bit more directions. So after that, a little bit more directions where the fitness studio is located, and yeah, that's basically it. For building this workflow, we're gonna be using Retail AI, Make for the integrations. Then we will use Google Drive basically to generate the documents and put some variables, and then PandaDoc so we can create the signature flow so the customer can sign. Retail AI I really like. I've been trying this for some days now, and I think it's one of the best I've seen in the market, and the voices are pretty reliable, and normally it works pretty well, so make sure to check it out. I already put here the knowledge base just to make the video faster, but this is very easy to follow. So what I've constructed this document that I did with ChatGPT with all the different information that we have. And then I've given them Grace some guidelines on how to act. So she must be warm, friendly, and she's a membership advisor at Fitness Beast. Then how the compensation on style is gonna be. What's the goal? So normally the goal is to first qualify, and if so, she will start collecting the data that I can push afterwards through our webhook to generate the contract for my customer to sign. Then I need to understand the needs, offering the price, basic information. So the voice agent is not very elaborate, but like really you can improve and iterate the versions until your voice agent is almost perfect and it has like an error of 5%. What I'm going to be doing, I'm gonna be pushing all the information to a webhook, which is this one here, and basically the webhook is going to be picked. So basically the information comes through here with the transcript, and then I've got ChatGPT with the chat completion here. And basically what I'm doing, I'm asking ChatGPT to construct a JSON, first name, last name, phone, email, and what plan they've chosen. I set the variable for the price. Then I have a dynamic document where I generate the contract with my different variables. I download the document, and then I just basically push it to PandaDoc so we can create a signature. So now we're gonna run the whole flow so you see how it works. And yeah, I'm gonna be making more videos like this one, so make sure to drop in the comments what the next video you would like to be about. I can do something similar. So let's test it. And by the way, I chose Julia. The voice is pretty good. And
hey, I'm your virtual assistant from Retail AI, here to help you handle all the calls.
So this is an example. So yeah, let's call it now and see how it works. And by the way, I'm putting the filter so only when the call ends, I'm gonna be receiving the webhook.
Hi, thanks for calling Fitness Beast. My name is Grace. How can I help you today?
Hello, Grace. I would like to get a little more information about Fitness Beast. I'm considering joining your gym, but I want to know the conditions first.
Of course. I'd be happy to help. Are you looking for a membership that fits a specific schedule, like mornings only, or do you need access throughout the day? We also have an option that includes personal training and massages if that's something you'd like.
So normally I'll be happy with mornings because my schedule is quite flexible. So yeah, let's see how the mornings is looking like.
Great. Our morning plan gives you access from 5 a.m. until 3 p.m. It's $45 a month and includes full access to the gym equipment, swimming pools, locker rooms, and spa areas like the sauna and steam room during those hours. Does that sound like it might work for you? Or do you have any questions about it?
Actually, it's pretty good, but can you tell me a little bit more about the other plan? So basically the one which includes all the access?
Absolutely. Our all-day plan gives you full access to the gym from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. It's $90 a month and includes everything in the morning plan, plus access to group fitness classes like yoga, Pilates, and cycling. It's perfect if you want more flexibility with your schedule or enjoy group workouts. How does that sound compared to the morning plan?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the morning plan because it's cheaper and I'm quite flexible. I can go in the morning, so yeah, let's stick to that one.
That sounds like a great choice. Let's get you set up with the morning plan. I'll just need a few details to get started. What's your first name?
Great. My first name is Jorge.
Thanks, Jorge. And what's your last name?
My last name is Del Castillo.
Got it, Jorge del Castillo. Could I get your phone number next?
Sure, my phone number is +1 508 442373.
Thank you. Lastly, what's a good email address to send your contract and payment link?
Yeah, so my email address is jorge@linklemon.agency.
Perfect, Jorge. I'll send your membership details to that email right now. You'll see a link to sign the contract and handle payment. Anything else I can help you with today?
Can you repeat my email? I want to make sure you took the right one.
Of course. I have it as jorge@linklemon.agency. Did I get that right?
Yeah, that's perfect. Thanks a lot, Grace.
You're all set, Jorge. Thank you so much for choosing Fitness Beast. We can't wait to help you crush your fitness goals. Have a great...
Okay, so now it seems like it cut a little bit there, but normally it should work perfectly. So as you can see, now everything's been set up. So I've got, this is coming directly from the agent, Jorge del Castillo, my phone number. And then I've got here the email, which I'm gonna be getting the email to. So now we just need to wait a little bit because I've got here a sleep module of about 30 seconds in order to make sure all the API from PandaDoc is working correctly. Okay, so now as we can see, the flow has finished. Everything's been completed and I should have received an email. And as you can see here, actually I did. So the title is Welcome to Fitness Beast by PandaDoc. And yeah, basically I have here the document, I can open it. And I should have received the contract with all my variables and we can read over the top. So Fitness Beast Jorge del Castillo contract. Then it's here, it has been created. This is like the address and all that. Then New York, Jorge del Castillo. The plan that I've chosen, which is $45. And then basically I have here this, and this looks like it came not in the right place because I could see here it was pushed a little bit. But yeah, like I said, this was like a document that I put together very fast. So we could just simply click here. This my name is automatically filled out because I've passed this as a dynamic variable through the API. I can accept and sign. This will trigger a webhook. And then I will also be notified the document was signed. And as you can see, it's here. And really you can make these as complex as you want. Here for simplicity, we just finish it after the contract, but you can include things like payment links or have everything synchronized with your CRM or whatever you need. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments what more videos you want. Also, if you want this automation for free, comment and I will send you the blueprints plus also my prompting, and if you want the document so you can test it out by yourself.